month, you guys. Can you believe it? Hello, beautifuls, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going through the Allure Beauty Box for June 2025. This box is mind-blowing because for only $20, you can receive 5 full-size products and then 2 deluxe travel-sized items on top of that. 7 items, 5 of them being full-size for $20 and free shipping. And that is why I wanted the box to speak for itself this month, because to me, this box is a holy bananas moment. It's a crazy, amazing deal. And I just realized I don't need to speak for it. It speaks for itself. So if you would like to try out the Allure Beauty Box for June, this is the exact box that you will receive. Now you can sign up down below using my link that I have available, and that will discount the box down to that $20 price point. But then additionally, you're going to be able to customize the shade on this Buxom product. So we're gonna do a full unboxing today. I'm gonna go through each of these products individually, show you shades, tell you price points, how to use the products, all of those details. But like I said, if you wanna get this exact same box, you have to order in the month of June. Psst, that's not the only deal either. So not only if you sign up in the month of June do you get this fabulous box at a discounted price point, you're also going to receive a $10 gift card. So inside of your box, you will be receiving a $10 gift card. This gift card is going to allow you to go shopping in the member store. This is also exclusive for all new members this month. So the theme for the June box is Easy Does It, and the editor mentions that they were going for products that allow you to cut down on time for this summer. She states that she loves to have her coffee outside, even if it's just for 15 minutes before her kids wake up, so she has that little moment of peace and zen. And she says, that's why you won't find me blow drying my hair or doing elaborate makeup on summer days. This time of year, I'm all about beauty with help from efficient multitaskers. And that's the idea behind each of these products, is that they're quick and easy multitasking products. That way you can cut back on the time spent. Like this product, for example. This is going to be the first item inside of our box this month. It is a full-size powder from Huda Beauty. Now, as a quick little disclaimer, I am heavily going to be endorsing this product because I have used it for every day of my life for like the last 4 years. I swear by this powder. It is the only powder that I use, and I absolutely love it. So just so you know, I am so biased when it comes to this. Now, this product is available only for new members in the month of June. So if you are an existing member, you will not be receiving this product inside of your box. However, if you would like to sign up with an additional subscription, you can definitely do that. All you need is a different email address than the one you currently have. So you can still get this product, but you would need to activate another subscription. The great thing is there's free cancellations with subscription plans, so you can always cancel the plan as well. So there's definitely a way for existing members to get it, but it will take a little bit more work. So 20 grams or 0.71 ounces. This is the Easy Bake powder. Now this powder is great for setting your makeup, but it also helps to get rid of oils. I have oily skin by nature, and this helps a ton at setting everything down and keeping oils away throughout the day. Now this will have a tint to it. Huda makes this in several different shades. This particular one is Cherry Blossom Cake, but you're gonna notice that the pink tint is very subtle. So this is what the packaging looks like, which is all brand new packaging. Huda rebranded. They are changing up the look of everything. This Easy Bake powder is still the same formula. They've just changed the actual packaging. So the old one had really sharp square edges. This one is going to be the little bit rounder one. They also changed up the way the brand looks on the front as well. But what's nice is that it's got a great little filter built into this compact. So what I mean by that is down below, when you first open this up, there's going to be a plastic film over top of this. That's just going to be the protective seal. You do want to remove that. So there's going to be a little pull tab up here in the corner. You'll pull this off, and down below you're going to notice this very thin veil. Now, it may actually poof up a little bit of powder on you when you first take this off, but you're going to see that this veil it will actually sift through, making it the smoothest powder you're going to try. And so then this portion up here is perfect, where you can take just a sponge, you can do a brush, tap in here, and then you're gonna apply that wherever you need it. You can also bake if you want to underneath your eye area here. So if you are using a concealer to brighten up, put that down first, then go over with the powder and you're gonna lock that in. That way it's gonna be completely smooth. You're not gonna see any wrinkles, any pores. It's gonna blur everything out. Now this one, as you can tell, has a very soft pink shade to this. So if you go over top of this, you're gonna notice this is your little veil here. And like I said, this is just gonna be that little filtered screen. And then it is a very soft powder. Now it does have that pink tint, but I'm gonna show you that it blends in super well. So even if this isn't your usual shade, you can still work with it. So you'll be able to put that down and look at how quickly it just dissolves into the skin. Do you see that? Now, it is going to be soft. You can tell actually where it's been placed at because it does have a very soft finish, but even on my finger, there's nothing left. So this is the first full-size product inside of your June box. Our second full-size product will be coming from Buxom. Now this will be the Powerline Plumping Lip Liner. So this will be available in 4 different shades this month, and it is customizable. So when you first sign up for this subscription, you can actually choose which shade you want to go with. The shade that I have is Smooth Spice. You can kind of see what that color looks like here. And then they've also got a little bit of that pigment here. Isn't it cute? I loved, it's got a little bit of that peach undertone and a little bit of pink as well. So cute for summer. It's just a cute little feminine touch. So this is what it will look like for the packaging. So this is what it will look like. You'll notice it does have that triangle shape. This is great for working all of those lines. So you're able to trace exactly where you need it to go. So that's gonna be your liner. And then, like I said, this one will be customizable. They have 4 different shades available. This will give you a quick sample here of what they look like. The one that I have is going to be, I would say, probably the most subtle, but if you want to go with something really bold like the bright reds, they do have those available as well. Now what's great is that this liner retails for $22 if you were to go to Sephora and purchase it, but the entire box is only $20. So you can buy one product, or you can get all 7 for less than that. The next multitasker that's inside of our June box is coming from Naked Sundays. This product, definitely a multitasker, and I'm really pumped to try this. So I've not personally tried this one yet, but I love everything about it and what it can do. So it is a full-size product. We have 50 ml or 1.7 ounces. You'll notice that this is SPF 50, but it also is going to have a tint to it, meaning there is a little bit of color. So this is not going to be a clear sunscreen. It's also not going to put down that white cast where it washes you out either. So this one will have a really nice subtle tint. It is designed to replace foundation. So on those laid back summer days, put your sunscreen on, and then it's going to give you just a little bit of that warm color, but you don't have to do anything else as far as makeup goes. So that's where it's going to save you that time that you can skip those future steps, but you're still protecting your skin from the rays. Now, one other additional perk to this product, and I think the thing that makes me so excited about this, because let's face it, I've had sunscreens with tints in them before, and I think that's great, but this has collagen added to it. So it is plant-based collagen, and then they've also incorporated antioxidants into this bottle as well. As women, we tend to lose collagen as we get older. So when we're able to get a product like this where it's incorporated, we can work that into our skin. This will help to plump the skin up and fill in any of those fine lines, but you're doing it naturally because it is plant-based collagen. So there's all of these great perks that I love about this. I love that it's SPF. It is a mineral sunscreen, by the way, but I also like that it's got the tint that we can, make it a little bit easier on ourselves. Plus you get the collagen in there. I mean, it's just great all the way around. And this retails for $34. So, again, one product or 7 for less than that. Additionally, we are going to have a product in here from Truly. This is their Vanilla Baby Luxury Body Oil. Now, this is also a full-size product, so we're up to, what are we at, 4 now? Yeah, this is the 4th full-size product. This is an oil that will help to plump your skin by adding volume and making your skin tighter, but it's also going to give you a satin finish. So it won't be dewy where it looks really wet, and it's not going to be a matte where it could look a little dry. It's going to be in between those two finishes, so you're going to have a nice looking glow. Now this one also will have a vanilla sugar scent to it, so it's going to be a wonderful smell, plus it's going to be great as skincare. I love the packaging. I always talk about, like, if you get these really pretty glass bottles, you know, display them, they look so cute. This would look great on the shelf. Even after you're done using it, you could always reuse it. I don't know what you'd put in here, but you could reuse it if you wanted to. Just, you know, get rid of the label on the front. You got a glass jar, this gold orb up here that looks pretty amazing as well. I mean, you know, if you want to cut down on waste, you definitely could with this product. Well, of course, we have to smell this today, and I wish we had smell vision. I'm still asking for that, but we've not gotten it yet. So this one, I always go to by default the Bath & Body Works Warm Vanilla Sugar Scent, right? This one to me, definitely the warm vanilla, but I feel like it's missing the sugar. It's not as sweet. This just smells like vanilla and amber mixed together is what I'm getting from it. So it smells really good. It's just not as sweet as the other one is. $30 for this as well. So again, one product or... And then our 5th full-size product. This is from Nectar. This one's called Neptune, and it is a serum that features hyaluronic acid inside of it. It will help to hydrate your skin and then blur any imperfections as well, like those wrinkles or lines. So this also has antioxidants in here, and it will help to lock moisture into your skin. This one states that you want to use it every day to see the best results. Wow, this is beautiful too. What a great month for, like, beautiful packaging. I mean, the snob in me is like, dang, this is great. Please tell me I'm not the only one that really likes glass bottles and just funky packaging. I mean, look at the curves on this even. I know, we need to talk about the serum, but I just think it's really cute. So there is a pump up here, and then like I said, it is a glass bottle. This serum, if you were going to purchase it, it comes in at $39 for it. So I'm not going to say it this time, but I think you get the idea. So this serum, it is an ultra hydrator. So it's going to give you a lot of moisture back to your skin. For someone like myself that has oily skin, sometimes the combination of my excess oils and then also having an ultra hydrator can be too much, and then I get really glassy and really shiny. So what you're going to be able to do is actually use these products that came in the box here. It will still work for people like myself that have oily skin. So you'll apply this on, and you obviously want to do your cleansing, you know, your other steps. So you apply your serum. Then you're going to go over top of it with your new sunscreen. That will help to keep those oils and that moisture to stay inside of your skin and to not come through. But to really lock it in, you're going to follow up with the Huda powder. This powder, I'm not joking, it will lock everything in place for you and stay there for 12 hours. It's amazing how it just like caps it all off, and that way you don't lose any of it. So that ultra hydrator will be great then at giving you that deep hydration, but you're not going to lose any throughout the day because you're locking it in with this. Now, last up inside of our box, we're going to have a duo product here, and they actually just won the Allure Best of Beauty Award for this year as well. And these are actually deluxe travel sizes, so they're a bit larger than their usual travel sizes, and I can confirm that. I mean, this is pretty big for a shampoo and conditioner set. So the brand is Nila, and this is specifically the Healing Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. So it is designed to soothe your scalp. It is also going to give you your hydration, repair any damage. So it's 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and it's even PETA verified. So they went that extra step and got that approved. This one will be the shampoo, and then like I stated, it does have the duo with the conditioner here. So for best results, you obviously want to use the two of these together, but each of them are 3.4 ounces or 100 ml of product. Usually with travel sizes, they're not this large. We usually see like an ounce for it, or maybe an ounce and a half. This though, I mean, 3.5 ounces here, like that's a lot of product. So that is everything inside of the Allure Beauty Box for June. Comment down below, you guys, let me know, what did you think? Again, we're gonna do a quick recap here, but like I said, I feel like this box speaks for itself this month. So you can get this entire box for only $20. All you need to do is use my link down below. It will apply the discount instantly for you. And then you're able to customize your box with the shade on the Buxom and get that $10 gift card. So like I said, you're gonna get the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder, absolutely free this month. You're additionally going to receive this serum, which is our Ultra Hydrator Serum. You're next up going to get the Vanilla Body Oil, which smells really good, by the way. I mean, we're gonna smell amazing with that product. Plus, we're gonna look great with the little shimmer in there. Love it. And then you're gonna get your new SPF that has the tint in there. It's also got collagen, which is great for our skin. Can't forget the Buxom. Like I said, you're gonna be able to customize the shade on there, so you get 4 choices for that product. And then you're gonna top it all off with the shampoo and conditioner this month. And this entire box is only $20. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye, beautifuls.